So this is what my vegetable garden decided was a corn, my first time planting it. And then I learned about self-pollination. And what you do is you transfer the pollen from the tassel, which is the male part, to the silk, which is the female part of the same plant or another plant of the same variety. And this is often done by shaking a tassel over the silk or by gently brushing the tassel against the silks. And the goal is to ensure that each silk receives pollen to maximize the number of kernels on each cob. People with huge plant fields, they don't need to do this because they have enough pollen flying around in the wind. This is my first time picking one since my grand discovery that everybody else seems to knew about since the beginning of time. And I was so proud of myself because it turned out amazing and it was magically delicious.